This isn't just a car, it's Godzilla, a 1999 R34 GTR V-Spec. Legal for import, barely.
The crate is here. Inside this steel box is the most legendary JDM car of all time.
The seal is broken. No turning back. I bought this sight unseen from a tuner shop in Tokyo that went bankrupt. And there they are, the afterburners. The 4 round taillights that every supercar owner in the 90s learned to fear. Look at this paint, Midnight Purple 2. It shifts color, it's purple, it's blue, it's green. Only 300 of these were ever made. It's sitting on vintage bronze TE37s, Grail of wheels. But the tires are dry rotted and flat. We can't drive it out. It looks fast just sitting there. The V-Spec aero, the carbon diffuser.
But why was it parked?
The engine bay is the question mark. The RB26D ETT, twin turbo inline 6, it's mostly there. The intercooler piping is disconnected. Someone was working on this and stopped. We got it to the shop. It's dry now. The midnight purple paint is mind-bending under these shop lights. It looks like an oil slick. I'm looking at the Japanese service records. The last entry is from 2005. It says turbocharger failure, maintenance upgrade planned. So it blew a turbo and sat for 20 years? Right-hand drive, it messes with your brain at first. Shifting with your left hand. The seats are those iconic hard gray buckets. They hold you tight. The MFD, the multi-function display. Before iPads, Nissan gave you this. It shows G-force, boost. The paint is original. No Bondo, no resprays. That is huge value, but it's covered in swirl marks and water spots. It has an old school HKS titanium exhaust. This thing is gonna sound like a fighter jet if we can get the engine running. The intercooler is packed with Japanese leaves. This car hasn't breathed in a long time. Here's the plan. The stock twin turbos are ceramic and they explode if you push them. We are deleting them. We are going big single turbo. We are building a 1,000 horsepower street monster. But first, we need to clean 20 years of Tokyo grime off this paint. Next up, the JDM detailing. First step, decontamination. This paint is legendary, but it's soft. We can't scratch it. We need the foam to lift the dirt first. The clay bar test. The paint feels like sandpaper. This clay pulls out 20 years of industrial fallout and rail dust from the shipping container. Under the light, the truth comes out. The wipe off, look at that difference. Before, it was just purple. Now, it has depth. It looks wet. This is why Midnight Purple 2 is iconic. Depending on the angle, it's purple, it's blue, it's green, it's mesmerizing. The steering wheel was shiny and greasy. A proper cleaning brings back, it adds grip. The exterior is finished. It looks like liquid glass. But a pretty face doesn't win races. Now we have to open the hood and get dirty. The stock twin turbo setup, it's great for response, but it limits us to about 400 horsepower. And these ceramic turbines are ticking time bombs. They have to go. The twins are out, and look at this. Just as I suspected, there is shaft play on the rear turbo. It was about to disintegrate into the engine. We caught it just in time. Out with the old, in with the new. This is a T51R style big single turbo. It flows enough air for 800 horsepower. It's the size of my head. Mounting the big single, we had to relocate the ABS unit to make room for this snail. To cool the air from that big turbo, we need a massive intercooler. This 4-inch core will keep the intake temps freezing cold. We need to control the boost. I'm wiring in a modern electronic boost controller. We can dial in the horsepower on the fly. The transformation is insane. From a stock, broken engine to but the question is, I'm installing a standalone Link G4 Plus ECU. This gives us full control. Base map is loaded. I have to calibrate the throttle position sensor and the injectors before we even think about turning the key. Fuel pumps priming. We are running dual Walbro pumps. Pressure is steady at 43 PSI. No leaks. It sounds like a drum roll. That is the music of my people. Yeah, that's perfect. Deep, powerful, just how I like it. Listen to that turbo spool up. It sounds like a jet engine taking off. a RB26 pop. That flame is unburnt fuel igniting in the hot titanium exhaust. It creates a vacuum that keeps the turbo spinning.
We are dialing in the boost, 25 PSI. The graph is going vertical.
It's midnight, the perfect time for a test drive. The roads are empty. But when the boost hits, it warps space and time. You are in the next postcode before you can blink. And the sound, the RB26 has a signature howl. And when you let off the throttle, flamethrower. It's antisocial. I love it. The Atessa all-wheel drive system is magic. You feel the computer sending power to the front wheels exactly when you need it. It defies physics. Driving this in traffic is funny to you, but Godzilla doesn't race. Godzilla eats. I pulled into a local late-night meet. Just a casual stop. I wasn't expecting this reaction.
You can't park a GTR and not pop the hood.
Draws a crowd.
They want to see the heart of the monster. Good seeing y'all. Until next time, see you guys.
Good night, Godzilla. Hit that subscribe button. You don't want to miss the 2JZ startup. See you then.